Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord installation has failed. So friends, to fix this installation error, firstly click on start and type system. Click on system information. Make sure what's type of system. In my case it's system 64. Now close it. Open any web browser. Now type 7-zip. Click on this first link 7-zip.org. Now select download link as your PC or laptop system type. As I said before, my laptop system is 64. So click on download link as your system requirement. Now click on this downloaded file. Click on install. Then click on close. Now right click on Discord setup. Hover cursor to 7-zip. Now click on extract to Discord setup. Now open File Explorer. Now click on this PC. Click on C drive. Now minimize. And now just you need to drag and drop this Discord setup folder and put in the C drive. So just you need to drag and drop this Discord setup folder in C drive. Now open this Discord setup folder. Now right click on this Discord file. Hover cursor to 7-zip. Now click on extract to Discord 0.00307. Now open this folder. Now click on lib. Now open this net45 folder. Now right click on this Discord application. Click on send to desktop and create shortcut. So send to and click on desktop. Now close it and click on this Discord shortcut. That's it. So friends, by this easy and very simple method we can know how to fix Discord installation error. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update, and friends, please comment this video work for you or not.